We offer a technology for the priming of seed material and foliar treatment of plants, the fifth element, water-soluble growth nanoregulator, which protects your crops and boosts the yield. I will show you how to carry out a pre-sowing treatment of corn seeds with fifth element. The package with 25 grams of preparation is used to treat 100 kg of corn, sunflower and rape seeds. To prepare the mother solution, just dissolve the preparation in the bottle in 1 liter of ordinary water by shaking for 4 to 5 minutes. Do not divide the granules in the package. Use all the contents in the package and only once. The prepared solution lasts for 6 hours. Biopreparation Fifth Element is a product that provides the complete range of nutritive elements to activate the immunity of the plant and form a strong root system. For the intensive development of the vegetative and generative mass, has biofungicidal properties, works as a growth regulator, immunomodulator and biorepellent, with a guaranteed harvest increase of 15 to 20% in grain and industrial crops. The bottom of the bottle should be transparent. The 1 liter of mother solution is added to the dresser's tank with 1 liter of ordinary water. Turn on the dresser's tank for 2 minutes to mix the solution with the water. Now we begin the seed treatment process. The ready-made solution is 2 liters per 100 kg of corn, sunflower and rape seeds. For cereals and legumes it's 10 to 12 liters per 1000 kilograms of seed material. After drying, the seeds are ready for sowing. The storage life of treated sowing material is 3 months. On the 20th of June, a 12-hectare field in Kherson region was sown with the corn hybrid CSN 3111 FAO 280. The seeds were treated with the fifth element nanoregulator. 7 pieces per meter were seeded, a total of 100,000 pieces. The crop planting density is about 80,000. We'll now carry out the first foliar treatment of plants in phases of 3 to 4 leaves. A 25-gram package of the fifth element nanoregulator is used for foliar feeding that can cover 1 hectare of crops. Pour the granules into 1 liter of water to prepare a mother solution, which is then mixed up with 200 liters of water. The first corn treatment is conducted in the phase of 3 to 4 leaves, the second in the phase of 6 to 8 leaves. When winter or spring cereal crop growing, the first treatment is in the tillering phase and the second before stem elongation. The ready-made solution is added to the sprayer tank. The fifth element is compatible with all plant protection products, but add the fifth element first into the tank. It is recommended to treat leaves that are not wet in the morning or evening. The working solution is ready, so now we can start to treat the crops.